every single second and crawl up your nose and down your throat, causing inflammation, irritation, and pain, affecting your brain and digestion, leaving you prone to allergies. I know this is a pretty intense picture, but it is extremely important that you see and feel what exactly is happening at this very moment, not only to your gums, but also to your entire body. Because once you do, the solution becomes clear as daylight. I know that's a big thing to say, but I will prove to you this very moment how true it is. What you need to do is repopulate your mouth with good bacteria and create a healthy environment for those thousands of diverse, healing strains to grow. The moment your teeth and gums won't be under constant chemical attack, the regrowing and rejuvenation process will start. Your gums will stop bleeding. They will regain their pink color and firmly reattach to your teeth. Every tooth will be cleared of cavities and stains, becoming whiter. Plus, remember, every time you swallow, you are seeding your gastrointestinal tract with over 140